How do we standardize units of measurement? Imagine trying to buy a loaf of bread or measure a piece of fabric if everyone used different sizes. It would be chaos. That's why standard units of measurement are so important. They help us communicate quantities clearly and accurately across the world. The process starts with creating a set of base units that serve as the foundation for all measurements. These are called the International System of Units, or C for short. The C system was developed through international cooperation, beginning with a treaty signed in the year 1875. This treaty established a global agreement on measurement standards. The C system defines 7 base units: the meter for length, the kilogram for mass, the second for time, the ampere for electric current, the Kelvin for temperature, the mole for the amount of substance, and the candela for luminous intensity. These units are used everywhere, from scientific research to everyday shopping. Instead of defining units by physical objects that could change over time, scientists now base them on universal constants of nature. For example, since 2019, the kilogram is no longer defined by a physical object but by Planck's constant, a fundamental constant of physics. The meter is defined by the distance light travels in a vacuum in a specific fraction of a second. This makes the unit stable and reproducible anywhere in the universe. International organizations like the General Conference on Weights and Measures and the International Bureau of Weights and Measures oversee these standards. Metrologists, or measurement scientists, work constantly to improve and refine these definitions. They make sure measurements are precise and reliable. Before the world adopted these standards, different cultures and regions used their own units, which caused confusion. Standardized units help connect societies through a common language of measurement. They make trade, science, and construction easier and more accurate. In everyday life, standard units allow us to buy groceries with confidence, build safe infrastructure, and share scientific discoveries. They turn abstract numbers into shared tools that support our daily activities. Standardizing units of measurement is a key step in making sure everyone is speaking the same language when it comes to size, weight, and time.